emotionally, physically, and spiritually. We are in darkness, even though we have light on our side. We are indeed suffering. We are suffering from strange diseases. We are dying. No food to eat, no water to drink, not even air to breathe. Our food, the waters, the air are poison. We are orphans, even though our mothers and fathers are still alive. Our minds are troubled by the emptiness. We have lost everything, including ourselves. Those with sense of feeling know that we are suffering from brain cancer, lungs cancer, skin cancer, heart diseases, respiratory diseases, and other strange diseases. For nature is dying. Nature is fading gradually. Nature is dying. Nature gives birth to the future. And now that the nature is pausing, the nature is fading out gradually. The nature is dying. Then we have no future. Nature is crying out so loud. Nature is screaming. Nature is begging for help. Listen. Be quiet, be patient, and listen. Nature is trying to tell you her story. Oh yes, nature speaks. Just that you are simply not quiet enough and patient enough to pay attention to her story. A true story. Nature is trying to tell you her story. I am down emotionally, physically, and spiritually. I am living empty. Oh, no food, no water, no air. I have lost my beauty. I am fading gradually. I am dying because of you. I have lost everything, including myself. Don't refuse to think. Don't refuse to think that when the last tree dies, last water and air poisons, the last person dies too. Don't refuse to think. Don't refuse to think that you did not inherit me from your ancestors. You borrow me from your children. Don't fight me for your survival. Protect me for your children's survival.